Hey, this is Brad Buckner, Sharpensbest.com. Every now and then we get in some new product, and we've got one in right now. And, oh, there he is right there. Okay, this is the new Sharpens Best floater. It's got a tubular handle. It's very, very light. It's sealed. It has a nice big carbide on it. And it's the same carbide as all the others. It's a little bit bigger carbide. Okay, still has the 90-degree corners. And guess what? This one actually floats. So, if you fall in the lake, you fall in the river or something like that, if you drop it out of your pocket, you're using it over the side of the boat. If it's a lake, you probably get it back. If it's a river, you know, who knows, but you might chase it down. All right, and so anyway, it's just really cool. I don't know what it weighs, but it's really, really light. And we got a knife here, and we got a sharpener. I don't know, what should we do? We got a knife, we got a sharpener. Boop, there you go. Okay, this is really a cool knife, and it's heavy in your hand. It's got a pretty good sized blade and everything. I can see a little bit of flat on that blade. That knife's been used a little bit, so let's go back to our Denver magazine, which is, oh, I guess that's the one we've been using right there. So let's try it out and see. Oh my, holy cow, that isn't one of my knives. But that's cool. That's okay, out there, that's not too bad, but where you actually use it a lot, so that's not too bad, but back here, that isn't working at all. So let's put this one there. All right, I'll do what I do best. I'm just gonna cruise right along here. Okay, what I'm actually doing is I go out on a corner, come back on a corner. So if I go out on that corner, flip it over, come back on this corner, flip it over, go out on that corner, flip it over. You can go one direction if you want to. I happen to like rolling it in my fingers. I go out this way, come back this way, this way. I do this on the point of the blade here like that. I go out, come back, out, back, okay? Just like that. So let's turn it over and work on it just a little bit this way. I can really actually feel that carbide cutting, so you definitely don't want to use more than about half an ounce of pressure. Just like this, just like that. All right, let's see where we are now. Oh yeah. All right, let's work on it just a little more. Okay, that's down in there where it wouldn't catch at all. Working pretty good. So we're just gonna touch it really light, and I'm gonna flip it every pass. I'm gonna do this about 20, 25, you know, maybe 30 times, 15 on each side, and just touch it really light, just like that. Right now I'm just polishing the blade, getting that little wire edge off the blade, polish that little wire edge off, touch it lighter and lighter and lighter, and let's see what we got now. All right, that's pretty good. It's a lot better than it was, that is for sure, right out to the tip. This is Brad Buckner, Sharpensbest.com. Welcome to the family. Little floater. Drop it in there. A little bit of that's going to float out, but at least it didn't sink right to the bottom like the others do. This is Brad Buckner, Sharpensbest.com. Take care.